Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to compare a single document with two configuration in compare feature. For that, I create this part. This part have two configurations. Go to configuration manager. This is configuration 1. This side it is 180 mm. Its width is 40 mm. Double click on configuration 2. In configuration 2, it is 180 by 250. Now we will compare these both configurations. Now go to tools, compare, select feature. From here, browse the document. I select this document, PL1 configuration. From here, you can change the configuration. I select configuration 1, open, modify document. I select the same part but configuration second, open. This is the reference part with configuration 1 and the modified part with configuration 2. Now select picture here and run comparison. Here in both sides part in yellow color, which show the part is modified. By this, you can compare single part with two different configurations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, explain CAD, and share these videos.